We went up this last time when we went to St. Augustine. We went up in the lighthouse for the daytime. And there was a bunch of people going at night. Watch your feet there.
Yeah.
You need a shower?
And
Is that this,
You need a
what's that
shower?
beeping?
that's that microwave
That's
just
the
randomly
microwave.
beeping.
Okay, because I saw the light had just come on.
Every time the light switches
You
to
need to go in
beeps.
the morning?
Yeah, it just went off now.
Yep. You take a shower?
You gonna take it in the morning? Because you're gonna start taking the blades off the lumber.
Oh, okay.
When we went up in the lighthouse, and last year we went down, I went up and down at night in the lighthouse. Went up in the daytime
Oh, I had a good night.
and then went up and down at night. And this last time, there was just too many people and too many giggly, laughing, horse
Yeah.
playing, and I'm like, I am not going up that thing in the dark with them crazy ass people. It is tight in there.
Yeah.
No, there's 219 steps on that thing. No.
That's kind of like, you know, oh, it's an arrow. It just popped up in that picture. It's like the one place that we went to for this type of stuff was in Gordonsville.
Mhm.
That's where I was told to get out. And we went back again, and it was a bunch of teenagers and giggling and laughing and screaming and cutting up and doing it, and there was nothing going on, nothing happened.
Everything's recording.
You did set up the kitchen?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I did catch that microwave going off and on.
How long's the tape in that?
I mean,
How long is the tape?
2 hours.
You got another tape with you?
Here, I'll move. I'll be nice. Oh, good Lord. Snap right ball.
Too much weightlifting on the stretching.
Told her not to be scaring the crap out of you walking around outside taking pictures like last night. They got us surrounded.
Oh, man.
Batteries about dead.
What's the date?
70 degrees. It's comfortable.
What kind of batteries did it take?
9 volt. I think I've got some in the
In there? Those pictures up there last time?
No,
You sure?
I don't think so, no. No, when did you come last time?
August?
August, around August.
No, because I didn't have to do you, I don't think.
We could probably go back and look at the old pictures. I just, for some reason, didn't remember.
I know the bullets weren't there.
Yeah, I remember the bullet.
Those are just the first 2 views that I got. They're hanging up in the bedroom now. Weekend, you want to turn it turns off.
10.
What was that?
You want to turn it off?
Yeah, you don't mind. Yeah, it's weird that the sound cut out on that webcam I did last time. Figured I'd just do audio this time. actually still, I think I've still got all the original audio.
Uh-huh.
You know, I was just sending y'all bits and pieces
Yeah.
last time, but y'all got a big enough little thumb drive. I could copy that off too. You wanna
You
see
have
one?
one? Mine are both at work. I'm here.
It's at work. We've probably got some laying around the house that we can, just mail them. I mean, thumb drives, I know I've got a couple.
Yeah. Yeah, that's take up a big file. It's a big file, especially if you're gonna record it for a couple of hours.
Yeah.
We're still waiting to hear back from that lady in Burlington. We've been to about 3 or 4 times. There's always something going on in her eye. You say the other day was Jean's birthday.
Yeah.
Anything really happened like in years past on her birthday?
Not that I can recall. I mean, nothing standoutish.
Yeah, I was telling him, I was in the shower yesterday. My papa's birthday was in March, but I'm getting ready to get a tattoo tomorrow. And he always called me Daisy. And Daisy's always been my favorite flower.
Right.
The petals on the daisies are gonna represent the pounds that I've lost, but I'm getting the sidearm. And yesterday I was in the shower, and it's always been the smell of blueberries. When I was in the shower, the door was shut, nothing was made with blueberries. There were blueberries in the refrigerator, but not out on. And he's come out sometimes on Saturday, Sunday morning going, "Oh, are you making blueberry?" And I'm sitting there eating liver mush. And he was not, and then yesterday I smelled the blueberries when I was in the shower. I was like,
I mean,
"You
to
must
me,
approve."
it's strong enough where you get a craving for blueberry pancakes. When you
Oh,
smell
wow.
Because the house that I lived in when we met, my grandfather had that house built for my mother and my father who divorced. Mom inherited the house. But in that house was where when he would come spend the night, and he would wake up there and smell it, and you can hear, and people that live there still hear the Frank Sinatra music, like the old timey record, and you can hear the
Scratch.
yeah, like it gets to the edge of the record, and you hear
Yeah.
You said, what was it, the cable guy?
the cable guy. Yeah, the cable guy came out and he says, "Were you buying a music box or did you have a jewelry box open up here?" And I said, "No." And he says, "Well, I heard that kind of music underneath the house," and I just kind of smiled. He goes, "A visitor?" And I said, "Yeah." And he was like, "Okay." And it didn't seem to bother him at all. He's like, "Oh, okay, okay." And my papa was born in 1911, died in 1979, December 1st, 1979.
Wow.
And I have more memories about him than I do my grandma, and I was 16 when she died. I remember certain things that my grandma was my dad's mom. My papa was my mom's dad. But I remember some things about her. She always talked with her hands. She was Sicilian. And if she got both hands, you better run. If she got both hands going, somebody's going to get you. Sweeping the driveway yesterday with a wooden broom. Nice little blister before I even knew it, and it already peeled off. And I'm like,
Ouch.
yeah.
Yeah, you see our driveway. It washed away. We had enough rain the other night. Holy cow. My truck, last 2 weeks ago, we got a big old mulch. So, and we were supposed to get some more, but the way the weather, it's, so the wheat holes in the bed of the truck clogged up.
Yeah.
It rained, let's see, Thursday night. And I bet you there was 6 inches of water in the bed of the truck.
Oh, wow. put a tarp in the back, just have your own little lady.
Have a pool back there, yeah. I didn't need to do that. It being stopped up the way it was, I mean, it was just completely full.
Yeah, my dad had somebody, about a year or so ago, came by, crawled up under his truck, drilled a hole in the gas tank.
Sucked it out, yep, drained it out, yep.
And then the neighbors up above us
Oh,
couldn't find out, had the same thing done to him. And then they must have drained the whole tank, because like a week later, all the grass around where he had the truck just started dying.
Yep.
Like, that had to have been a lot of trouble. I mean, just go to the gas station and get your own.
Yep. And I can't afford it, but you got a $100 drill.
Yeah. Oh, Lord.
that's what I said.
Y'all have the dogs in the back?
They're in there, cattle in there.
Oh. I'm awful quiet.
They went to sleep. One of them just, we had put down just a couple months ago.
They all getting up there in age.
And she was 14, yeah. She couldn't walk anymore, she couldn't do anything.
Yeah, his parents had, how old was Baker?
He wasn't very old.
9.
Maybe 7.
He had a lot of health problems. He had seizures, on lots of medication.
She just started getting, she couldn't walk anymore, it's like, about couldn't eat. You know, it just got, they killed us to take her.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And his daddy called us from the vet's office and said, we need you to go on over and start digging the grave, and we'll be on. And his mama still says she doesn't remember coming home.
Yeah.
She doesn't remember, he was sitting beside her in the box, in the back seat. She doesn't remember getting out, she doesn't remember us putting him in the ground, and she stood as far as from me and George from the hole, and she didn't remember.
I swore they'd never get another one, then like.
One camera's doing funky stuff.
Yeah, that one, because it actually switches from color to infrared mode. If it gets enough light, it'll
Okay.
switch to color mode. I think it may be picking up your emotion. That's weird. It's definitely picking up something.
What is that? What's it?
Which one are you looking at?
One on the top left.
That's one down the hall.
Seriously, am I drunk or is that moving?
Yeah, because it switched from color to black and white mode.
Glasses.
If it gets enough light, it'll. Yeah, you gotta learn all the nuances of your equipment. A lot of times you'll get those cheap cameras, you'll see like pixelation on the edges, and it looks like something moving. And poor Tony, I love her to death. It's like every time we go on an investigation, her equipment malfunctions.
I guess he changed his mind.
Change mine?
Yeah. Well, I didn't have a lot to get out of it. Is it too late to take a shower?
No, go ahead, just, I think all those cords are out of the way.
There's no cameras in there, you're right.
Except for the one
Did
that
you
we
see
did.
that? Just kidding.
I'll let you check that with residents. So far, we hadn't really, I mean, we've used them on several cases. It's helped us debunk some things, but it hadn't really called anything paranormal. That camcorder, though, I took it and we did Waverly Hills in Kentucky. It caught like it looked like a little child spirit up in the playground
What
section.
was it? Shoemakers. Is it microwave?
Check my plan, make sure it's still.
It was,
Oh, it's been just doing different things.
yeah, it's,
So we sat here a little while ago before you were doing something and it just went to town with it, so.
yeah, it's
The
all.
house out in,
Yeah, that's what I was scared of.
the house out in, Grand Quarry.
Yeah, Wendy, yeah.
That's
Remember
what I was scared of.
that,
It locked itself off again.
Have you checked it for any shorts or anything?
Well, see, that's the thing, it has worked fine
Mm-hmm.
for several months, and we hadn't had a problem with it.
It's just.
And then all of a sudden, right after I got hurt, right around the time I got hurt, it just started going
Start
eight
going
crap.
again.
I mean, it just started, and you used to just, be, the light come on. And then after I got hurt, it just goes beep, 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 and then it'll stop. And
Because
then,
it was doing that when I was setting up in there.
what were we using for video recording
Jason had his camcorder.
that we caught that little thing where it came out from the side of the,
Yeah,
that shadow, that dark shadow? that
yeah.
came out?
See like a little head poke out from one of the
It's like,
bedrooms.
you had the doorway there,
Yep.
and there was a bed, and it just came out, kind of poked its head, and then shoo, right in. Wow.
He was sitting there in one of the bedrooms, and he just had it pointed. He couldn't really see because it was in the dark. He just happened to have it pointed at the bed across from him, and you see like a shadow come out of the bed and then go back down in. Never did figure out what that sound was downstairs. Sounded like somebody threw something.
That water.
yeah.
Or taking a shower.
Yeah.
I'm saying,
Yeah, 'cause you can't sound.
We did, have y'all seen the evidence we've got posted on our website? The one in Myrtle Beach, we did. Pretty interesting. This was like a brand new building. We
Oh,
were at
that's
one
what you
in,
and Brad did.
yeah, Myrtle
Like,
Beach.
I think they're Myrtle
The rest of us,
Where was I?
rest of us were on one side of the building and Brad went to the other side down like a little hallway.
Brad and I don't
Yeah,
get well together, so.
he was sitting in there and
He reminds me of my ex-husband. Not in a good way.
he came back.
He does what?
He reminds me of my ex-husband, not in a good way.
Not good with it.
He goes, were either of y'all down that hallway I was in? It's like, none of us have been down there. He swore he heard footsteps. And I went back and looked at the camera. And you see him, he goes down that hallway. And then as he goes and leaves to go talk to us, one of the emergency lights over the doorway just turned off. And they said it had never happened before that and never happened since.
Well, me and Tim and Brad went to, St. Albans. In, is that Virginia or West Virginia?
Virginia, Bradford, Virginia.
I mean, he's comical, at
That's
best.
funny.
And then the two of them, I just go, I was just driving and I drove all the way back. And the two of them were just like, Abbott and Costello back and forth
But
the whole time. We spent the night up there. Because I can't drive. Tony drove from South Carolina all the way up there and back.
And got lost coming back.
How do you get lost? Anyway,
that's,
she had somebody with her who knows. This is actually when we get the most of our evidence, like
It's like when you least expect it.
yeah. Not looking for it.
You know, we did the old place in King Street. First time we just set up recorders. And I
That
started
was
not to
creepy, yeah.
even listen to the recording and just happened to listen to it like the next day and caught all those sounds, little kids, piano playing.
Oh, wow.
We spent the night expecting, you know, we'd get a ton of stuff. Nothing happened.
that first time, and I probably told y'all about this maybe last time we were here. We got ready to go down there that morning. We got up and a lot of times I'll have a dream about something the night before. I took sleep last night. I took a shift last night. But I don't remember the. And I woke up and I said, "Is there a window at the top of this?" I don't even think I'd seen pictures of the house at that time. I said, but he had told me it was a two-story colonial, old, you know, Civil War type house. I said, "Is there a window at the top of the staircase?" No. So we get there, the first thing I do is go in through the door and go find the staircase, and I looked up and there's a window. And he said, "Well, why did you ask about that?" I said, "Because there was somebody watching me from outside that window in the house, but there's no deck and it's a second story."
Hmm.
And so in that room, when I crossed the threshold of that room, I mean, it was like 70 degrees on this side and 110 on that side.
Wow.
The threshold, and I was like, okay, this is,
And it was cold that day. I bet it was like, what, 20 degrees
Yeah.
outside?
I mean, it was that stark of a difference in temperature, and, yeah, because we had on long pants and jackets and all that kind of stuff.
Because that same room was where I was walking around, because I wanted to be in the house by myself. That way I wouldn't hear, pick up anybody else's voice. And I caught a voice in that room, couldn't make out what it said. And it didn't sound friendly, whatever it was.
Wow.
I'd like to go back up to Gordonsville.
Yeah.
Yeah, you told me some stories last time.
That's
Is that the one?
place that, yeah, I was told to get out.
Yeah.
It's called the Exchange Hotel,
Mm.
and during the Civil War, pre-Revolutionary War, it was an inn, and then it became a depot at some point between then and the Civil War. And the hotel itself was taken over by the Confederacy. During the Civil War, it turned into a hospital. And I think the number that I saw was like 23,000 soldiers passed through there. Was it first Bull Run?
Sorry.
Battle Bull Run. The tracks come right in front of the hotel, and then come around and head to Richmond. And that was a stopover for the injured. Pretty much, if you got off the train, you probably weren't going to survive.
Right.
If you were survivable, you went on to Richmond, and it was a Major Richards that ran the hospital.
Your buddy.
Yeah, my buddy.
I ain't never seen you that
We
way.
went through this place. Now, mind you, the main building is exactly the same. The outdoor kitchen, the building is still there, but in the 70s it was remade into an apartment, and they could never rent it out.
Right.
obviously, for obvious reasons. People just wouldn't stay there. And,